Welcome to Pramod Nainapalli YouTube channel. Today we discuss a very important topic, that is reactions of phenols. So there are seven different types of reactions that phenols undergo. So first reaction is acidity reaction, because we have already discussed phenol is an acid. It reacts with base. As a result, when it reacts with base, there is elimination of H2O. So H2O is eliminated and there is a formation of sodium salt of phenoxide ion. Any acid react with base, which is either sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide, it forms a sodium salt of phenoxide ion. Sodium salt of phenoxide ion. So this is an acidity reaction. Acid react with base to form a salt. Very simple basic reaction the phenol will undergo. Now the second type of reaction what we can see here is phenol react with acyl chloride. It will undergo and it will form the ester formation by elimination of HCl. There is elimination of HCl. There is a formation of ester COOR. COOR is formed. So when phenol react with acid chloride or acyl chloride, there is a formation of ester. So ester is formed. So phenols react with acid chloride. There is a elimination of HCl. There is a formation. This carbon becomes electron deficient. It will go and attack on the oxygen and it forms the ester. Ester formation takes place. The next type of reaction, third type of reaction is nitration. As we know that phenols are aromatic compounds. Like benzene, they will also undergo nitration, sulfonation, halogenation, Friedel-Crafts alkylation, acylation. All benzene reactions phenols also undergo. You already know that when phenol or aromatic compound react with nitric acid in presence of sulfuric acid, it forms a 2-nitro or orthonitrophenol. Orthonitrophenol. So what is then a nitration reaction? Replacement of hydrogen of aromatic compound or benzene by nitro group. That reaction is called as a nitration. And the nitrating mixture, you know very well that the nitrating mixture is nitric acid and sulfuric acid. So these two combined together replaces hydrogen by nitro group. How it replaces, we have already discussed the mechanism in the section of or in the unit of benzene. Same mechanism this also undergoes. Replacement of hydrogen by nitro group is called as a nitration. Next reaction is sulfonation. You already know that sulfonation means phenol react with sulfuric acid. If it react at a temperature maintained 15 to 20 degrees centigrade, there is a formation of phenol orthophenol sulfonic acid. Orthophenol sulfonic acid. If you want orthophenol sulfonic acid, you have to maintain a temperature of 15 to 20 degrees. At low temperature, you get orthophenol sulfonic acid. At high temperature like 100 degrees centigrade, you get paraphenol sulfonic acid. Paraphenol sulfonic acid. This is at high temperature. So whichever you want, whether you want orthophenol sulfonic acid or paraphenol sulfonic acid, it depends upon the temperature what you maintain. If you maintain the temperature lower temperature, you get orthophenol sulfonic acid. If you maintain high temperature like 100 degrees centigrade, it will give the reaction will give you the paraphenol sulfonic acid. So sulfonation means you already know that replacement of hydrogen by sulfonic acid group. What is sulfonic acid group? SO3H. So SO3H, if it is replaced from H with SO3H, then that reaction is called as a sulfonation reaction. Fifth reaction is halogenation reaction. Halogenation is a reaction, you know that, like benzene, this also undergoes same way. Means the replacement of hydrogen of the benzene by bromine groups, they are called as a bromination. If it is in a chlorine, if you replace, that is called as a chlorination. If it is a fluorine, fluorination. Iodine, iodination. So depending upon the what type of halogens you are using, the different halogenation reaction it will undergo. So what happens? It will remove the 3 hydrogens. Here totally 6 bromines are there. Okay, 1, 2, 3. 3 hydrogens are there. 3 bromines are replaced. What is formed here? 2, 4, 6 tribromophenol. How many bromines are remaining? 6 bromines are there. 3 are substituted and 3 hydrogens are remaining. 3 bromines are remaining. 3 HBr will be eliminated. So this is called as a bromination reaction. In halogenation, it is one of example is bromination reaction. And next example is Friedel-Crafts, like same Friedel-Crafts alkylation, like benzene alkylation. Alkylation means replacement of hydrogen of benzene or aromatic compound by alkyl group. So if it is replaced with alkyl group methyl, it forms the 2-methyl phenol, which is called as an orthocresol. It is called as an orthocresol, means replacement of hydrogen by alkyl group, then they are called as an Friedel-Crafts alkylation. So these are the 6 different types of reactions. The last reaction is very important. There are other reactions are also there. Only important reaction we are discussing. So 6 reactions you have seen. Last important reaction is Friedel-Crafts acylation. Friedel-Crafts, 7th one. Friedel-Crafts acylation. You know that, like same acyl group will be acylation. Same like benzene, it will undergo Friedel-Crafts acylation. Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. What is this Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction means? When the phenol react with the acid chloride, a replacement of hydrogen by acyl group, that reaction is called as a Friedel-Crafts acylation. Simple reaction, it is a replacement of hydrogen of phenol by acyl group. With the elimination of chlorine, there is a formation of the acyl group. So what happened? This is orthohydroxy acetophenone, you can call this as an orthophenol acetophenone. Sorry, this is called as an orthohydroxy acetophenone, means replacement of hydrogen by acetyl group. These are the very important types of reactions of phenol.